Tell Mokiyo, ẹ ṣé tẹ́ tẹ́tí sí mi. Èmi náà ni o. Èmi tí yín ní tẹ̀tẹ̀ àìtàlẹ̀ abiyamọ. Èmi àìtàlẹ̀ abiyamọ kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin akéde mi tìwé tàgbà. Káàbọ̀ sí abala Mofeko Ede Mi nítorí kíkọ́ ni mímọ̀. Àkòrí ẹ̀kọ́ wa lórí òǹkà tí wá sí òpin báyìí o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ kú iṣẹ́, mo kí yín, ẹ kú forítì, ẹ kú faradà, ẹ kú fọmọnìyàn ṣe, ẹ kú àfojúsí, ẹ kú àfọkànsí. A ti wá dé abala tó kẹ́yìn nínú ẹ̀kọ́ kíka òǹkà ní èdè Yorùbá láti ọ̀kan títí dé Egbe awa. Hello everyone. Itali Abiyamo welcomes all Akede to Mofeko Ede Mi. And today, just to let you know that this is the last and concluding part of our learning lessons, the series of learning to count in Yoruba from 1 to 20,000. Yes, we made it. This is it, guys. Thanks for being there. Thanks for listening. Thanks for tuning in every now and then. Thanks for learning to count your numbers in Yoruba. Fair play to you. Well done. Well, I'm so proud of you. I'm very, very proud of you. Like if you've been listening in to the lessons, yes, we've learned how to count from Yoruba from 1 to 20,000. Although we learned how to count from 1 to 200. All the numbers in between, you can say all the numbers in between from 1 to 300. Yes, so you have all the numbers in between from 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 8, like that till 300. All the numbers in between, you can proudly say them now. Not only that, it comes handy. Maybe you want to say a number in Yoruba and it's a number between 20 to 30. You go to Itali Abiyamo Yoruba lessons and click on it. So I'm gonna subtitle it. I'm gonna subdivide. That's why I did it like in sections, like from 1 to 20. So if you need any numbers between 1 to 20, you go there, you get the number, like you get what it's called in Yoruba. Like if you need a number between 41 to 60, just go back, just play it back, and you listen, and you will get the number. You'll be able to say the number. That's why it's here. You learn at your pace, you learn at your time, you learn wherever suits you. You mix and match them. You don't necessarily have to learn from 1 to 20 if you've already known 1 to 20. Like if maybe you need to know between 40 to 100. Yeah, go help yourself, learn at your pace. It's DIY, do it yourself, Yoruba lessons. So there you go. So I'm just putting the information out there for you so that you can easily have access to it, and it's gonna be, and you'll find it handy and useful too. So this is the last part, guys. Well done. I'm so proud. I'm super duper proud of you guys, and we did it. I myself, I didn't believe that I'm gonna do this, but we made it happen. Where there's a will, there's a way. So yes, we made it happen. So we made it happen. I've learned my numbers by doing this, and I hope that you've learned your numbers by listening to and by saying them. I hope you've learned your numbers as well. Yeah, I've learned my numbers too. I've learned new numbers that I didn't even know existed. I know they're there, but I don't even know what they're called. But with this, it's been a wonderful journey discovery and experience for me. I hope so that it is for you too at your side. So yeah, come on guys. Let's make it a wrap. Let's make it a wrap, okay? Yeah. So we're going to learn, like I said earlier, in Yoruba, which I'm translating from 1,600 to 20,000. So 1,600 is Egbe. 1,600. 1,700 is Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀sán. 1,700. 1,800 is Ẹgbẹ̀sán. 1,800. 1,900 is Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́gbẹ̀wá. 1,900. 2,000 is Egbe or Egba. Egbe or Egba is 2,000. 4,000 is Egbaji. That is Egba meji. But you shorten it Egbaji. Egbaji is 4,000. 6,000 is Egbefa. Egbefa is 6,000. That is Egba meta. I hope I'm making sense to Egba meta. That Egba is 2,000. So Egbaji, which is Egba meji, that is 4,000. 6,000 is Egbata. Egbata is Egba meta, that is 2,000 in 3 places. So 8,000 is Egbarin. Or Egbari. Well, I don't know. I'm not perfect. Oh my God. Okay. 8,000 is Egbari. Egbari is 8,000. That is 2,000, which is Egba in 4 places. So Egbari. 10,000 is Egbarun. Egbarun is 10,000. That is Egba. Egba is 2,005 places. So that makes it Egbarun. Egbarun is 10,000. And last one. I can't wait. I can't wait, guys. The very last one is 20,000. And 20,000 is Egbewa. Egbewa, that is Egba, which is 2,000 in I don't know. You know what I'm trying to say, guys. You know what I'm trying to say. So 20,000 is Egbewa. That is Egba. 2,000 in 10 places. Yes, I got it now. 2,000 in 10 places is Egbewa. So that gives you 20. Yes, 2 times 10 is 20. Yes, so that gives you 20,000. And guys, it's a wrap. It is a wrap. Oh my God. Oh. Well done. We made it. We made it. Yes. Touchdown. Yes. The finish line. Yes. Well done, everyone. Well done. Fair play to you. Give yourself a big hug. Give yourself a pat on the back. Yeah. Yeah. Well done. Well done, Natalia Abiamo. Well done, all my Akedes. Well done. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin Akede mi tèmi tàgbà. Kódà sàdánkátà yín. Mo gbóríyìn fún yín. Fún iṣẹ́ takuntakun tẹ́ ẹ ṣe. Ẹ wú mi lórí. Ẹ wú mi lórí. Ẹ kú iṣẹ́. So that's it, everyone. It's a wrap. It's a wrap, and thus concludes our learning to count in Yoruba. So keep saying it. Keep counting. Ẹ máa bá mi kà o. Ẹ máa bá mi kà o. Ẹ máa bá mi kà òǹkà yín o. Lédè àbínibí tó jẹ́ Yorùbá. Keep listening. Ẹ máa bá mi jẹ́ lẹ́nu. Ẹ máa bá mi yiri ẹ̀ wò. Ẹ máa bá mi sọ. So there you go. Confidently, you can count from 1 to 20,000. So yeah, that is it, guys. So have fun with it. I had so much fun with it. I learned along the way as well, so it's been a learning process for me too. Yeah, so yeah. So that's it. So say it in Yoruba. Ẹ máa bá mi sọ ní Yorùbá. Ẹ máa bá mi sọ ní Yorùbá torí pé kí ni Yorùbá rọrùn. Yoruba rẹwà. So yeah, say it in Yoruba because Yoruba is rich and beautiful. So I'm very, very super duper yippee proud of you guys. So until I come your way again, keep listening, keep learning, keep saying Yoruba, and I wish you all the best in your learning journey in Yoruba. So Akweto.